Hello, fellow travelers. Today, let's talk about a game changer for international trips: global entry. Think of it as your VIP key to breeze through U.S. airport lines after long flights. Instead of waiting in endless lines, global entry lets you use a special kiosk, scan your passport, fingerprints, and you're done in minutes. It's a huge relief after a 10-hour flight when all you want is to get home. Global entry is part of the U.S. Trusted Traveler Program, designed for low-risk travelers who want less stress and more freedom. Once approved, you're pre-screened and can use these fast lanes every time you land in the U.S. It's not just about saving time, it's about making travel feel welcoming and efficient. But what about when you travel to Europe? Can global entry help there? While global entry is a U.S. program, its benefits can connect to your European adventures in surprising ways. We'll explore how it works, which European countries offer similar perks, and how to make your entire journey smoother. Ready to travel smarter? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to stress-free international travel. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your first big trip, this guide is for you. Let's make your next journey the best one yet. Stick around to learn how to turn airport hassles into a thing of the past. Your travel dreams are about to get a whole lot easier. Here's how global entry works its magic in the US. When you land from abroad, skip the long customs line and head straight to the global entry kiosks. Scan your passport, place your fingers on the scanner, answer a few quick questions, and get your receipt. Show it to the officer, and you're on your way, often in under 5 minutes. But there's more. Global entry includes TSA PreCheck. With TSA PreCheck, you get a faster security line at US airports. No need to remove shoes, belts, or laptops. Just enter your known traveler number when booking flights, and the TSA PreCheck logo will appear on your boarding pass. This works for both domestic and international flights departing from the US. It's a 2-for-1 deal: speed through immigration when you return, and breeze through security when you depart. The process is simple, efficient, and designed to save you time at both ends of your journey. Make sure your known traveler number is always in your reservation for every flight. With global entry and TSA PreCheck, you'll spend less time in lines and more time enjoying your travels. It's the ultimate travel hack for anyone flying in or out of the US. No more airport stress, just smooth, easy travel. If you value your time, this is the program for you. Let's see how these benefits connect to your European adventures. Ready for the next step? Subscribe for more adventures. So, you use global entry to skip lines in Europe? Not directly. Global entry is only for speeding up your return to the US. It doesn't work at European passport control. But here's the secret. Some European countries have agreements with the US that let American travelers use special eGates. These eGates use your biometric US passport to speed up entry, just like global entry kiosks. It's not global entry itself, but your status as a US citizen with a modern passport opens doors. These partnerships are a result of trusted traveler programs working together. So, while you can't use your global entry card in Europe, you can still benefit from faster entry in certain countries. Your biometric passport is the key. Look for eGates or automated border control signs. It's all about knowing which tool to use and where. In the US, global entry is your fast pass. In Europe, your passport does the heavy lifting. Let's find out exactly where you can use these perks. Get ready to save time on both sides of the Atlantic. Next, we'll map out the countries that make your arrival a breeze. Which European countries offer fast-track entry for US travelers? The United Kingdom leads the way at Heathrow and Gatwick. US citizens with biometric passports can use e-passport gates. Just scan your passport, look at the camera, and you're through. No long lines. Germany's major airports like Frankfurt and Munich have EasyPass eGates for US passport holders. The process is similar: scan, match your face, and go. Amsterdam's Schiphol Airport offers Privium eGates, and the US-Netherlands Flux partnership provides even more options for frequent travelers. In most cases, your standard US biometric passport is all you need to use these eGates. Other countries, Italy, Spain, Portugal, Finland, are also rolling out eGates for US travelers. Always look for signs for eGates or automated border control when you arrive. Rules can change, so check airport websites before you travel. More European airports are adopting this technology every year. These fast lanes mean less waiting and more time to enjoy your trip. Start your European adventure refreshed, not frustrated. With a little planning, you can skip the lines and get straight to exploring. Next, let's break down exactly how to use these tools for a seamless trip. Ready for your step-by-step guide? Here's your quick guide to a smooth US-Europe journey. Before you leave, enter your global entry known traveler number. When booking your flight, this links your TSA pre-check benefit. Double-check that your ticket matches your passport and global entry info. On departure day, look for the TSA pre-check logo on your boarding pass and use the fast security lane. Arriving in Europe? Watch for signs for eGates or automated border control. Have your US biometric passport ready, the one with the gold camera symbol. At the eGate, scan your passport, look at the camera, and follow instructions. If all matches, the gate opens and you're in no long lines. On your return to the US, follow signs for global entry. Use the kiosk, and you're through customs in minutes. Planning ahead and knowing which benefits to use where makes your trip stress-free. Save time, avoid hassle, and enjoy more of your journey. These steps work for both seasoned travelers and first-timers. The key is preparation. Use your tools and travel like a pro. With global entry and a biometric passport, you're set for smooth sailing. Every trip gets easier with a little know-how. Now let's look at extra tips to make your journey even better. Ready for some pro travel hacks? Let's go! A few extra tips can make your US-Europe trips even smoother. Keep your passport valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date and renew your global entry before it expires. Update your trusted traveler account with any new info. Use airline and airport apps for mobile boarding passes, flight updates, and airport maps. Download offline maps for your destination to avoid roaming charges. Consider mobile passport control as a backup for US Customs. Allow at least 2 hours for layovers in big European airports. Even with eGates, connections can take time. If you fly business or first class, use priority lanes and airport lounges for extra comfort. Some credit cards offer lounge access. Check your benefits. Combine these perks with global entry for a truly stress-free experience. Smart planning turns every trip into a pleasure. Global entry is great, but there are other programs worth considering. Nexus is perfect for frequent US-Canada travelers. It's cheaper and includes global entry and TSA pre-check. Sentry speeds up land border crossings with Mexico and also includes global entry and TSA pre-check. If you visit one country often, check for local trusted traveler programs like Germany's EasyPass or the Netherlands' Privium. These may require extra applications, but can save time if you travel there regularly. Always check official airport or government sites for the latest info. Your biometric passport alone gives you access to eGates in many European countries. The right combination of programs and documents creates a seamless travel loop. Stay updated, and you'll always have the fastest route. Now, let's see how to get your own global entry membership. Ready to apply for global entry? Here's how. Go to the official Trusted Traveler Program website. Create an account and fill out the application with your travel and work history. Pay the $120 fee, good for 5 years. Some credit cards will reimburse you. Wait for your background check to be processed. This can take weeks or months. Once conditionally approved, schedule an in-person interview at an enrollment center. Bring your passport and another ID to the interview. The officer will confirm your info, take your photo, and scan your fingerprints. If approved, you'll get your known traveler number right away and your global entry card by mail. You can start using your benefits immediately. Apply well before your next big trip to avoid delays. Becoming a trusted traveler is easier than you think. Is global entry worth it for European travelers? Absolutely. For just $120 over 5 years, you skip long US immigration lines every time you return. Even one international trip a year makes it worthwhile. Think of the hours and stress you'll save. TSA pre-check is included, so you get faster security for all US flights. If you bought TSA pre-check alone, it's $78. Global entry is just $42 more and gives you both. The time saved means more time with family, less rushing, and a smoother journey. Plus, being a trusted traveler can help you use eGates in Europe. It's a smart investment for anyone who values their time and comfort. Global entry makes international travel civilized and enjoyable. Focus on the adventure, not the airport lines. For frequent or even occasional travelers, it's a no-brainer. Make your next trip the easiest one yet. Subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels.